Using the ultimate universal paving and wall cladding adhesive is ideal for fixing porcelain patio tiles and natural stones to external bases and walls. You will require a bucket, clean water, electric drill with paddle, and your safety PPE. For mixing directions for the universal paving and wall cladding adhesive, follow the manufacturer's instructions. For this particular one, you will need a 1-in-3 mix. So when we're installing the porcelain cladding, we want to set off our baseline so we can actually measure out correctly what the distances are and make sure that we can minimize the amount of cuts we need to do when putting on our porcelain itself. For the spirit level, we can draw ourselves a line. At the top of this particular tile we're working on, we can take our measurements and we can cross-reference those with our porcelain tiles. We can take our tiles, see if they fit in neatly, and then we can apply the adhesive and get ready to start putting on the tiles. Once the tile adhesive has been applied to the walls, we can now install the porcelain cladding, and this must be done in a staggered fashion to give a much more naturalistic effect. To achieve clean cuts, make sure you use a porcelain blade.